For another way to understand roots, roots are also the same thing as fractional exponents. With fractional exponents, the exponent becomes the numerator, and the index of the root becomes the denominator. Just remember that because we are working with fractions, we have to simplify the fractions whenever we can. So remember to simplify fractional exponents whenever possible. A good way to look at this is like this. If you have x to the power of a over b, this is the b root of x to the a. Just think about going back and forth between those two things and you'll be just fine. For example 1, the fourth root of x to the 12th is equal to x to the power of 12 over 4. Again, this inside becomes the numerator, this index becomes the denominator. And then we just simplify 12 fourths by dividing 12 by 4, and this equals x to the third power. This makes sometimes for an easy way to simplify roots. Let's take a look at example 2. Example 2 asks us to go the other way, write that as a radical. We'll have 5 inside a root. The numerator goes on the inside. We have 5 to the 5th, and this is the 8th root. As for example 3, that's one that's actually possible to simplify using fractional exponents. That's 64 to the power of 1/3. 64 prime factorizes to be 2 to the 6th. So this is 2 to the 6th to the 1/3. You can multiply these exponents, so you get 2 to the power of 6/3. 6 divided by 3 is 2, and 2 squared is 4. So just remember, fractional exponents are really just roots in another notation.